Assalamualaikum. Morning. My name is Sumando Lorenzo. My majority is naval architecture and marine engineering. I'm from University of Indonesia, Faculty of Engineering, 2022. And this is a presentation about my final test in numerical method. And this is the table of content. In the slide 3, we have a muasabah. In the slide 4, we have spring mesh system. In slide 5, we have spring mesh system. In slide 6, we have instruction set A. In slide 7, we have instruction set B. In slide 8, we have instruction set C and D. In slide 9, we have Elon Musk and what I think about AGI. In slide 10, we have the E5 and conscious. And finally, in slide 11, we have conclusion about what I get in class of numerical method with Padai. Yes, this is the first is muasabah self-reflection. Muasabah is a concept in Islam that refers to self-reflection on self-accountability. This practice helps individuals improve their character and spiritual well-being by identifying and correcting their mistake in their life. In me, as I reflect on my action and decision over the past year, I recognize a moment where I have fallen short of my ideal and values. There were times when I acted out of invitation of rotation, causing unnecessary stress to myself and others. I realized the importance of patience and empathy, and I'm committed to fostering these qualities in my daily interaction. Additionally, I acknowledge the instance where I failed to prioritize my spiritual and personal growth, allowing distraction to divert my focus in Faculty of Engineering, University of Indonesia. Okay, we enter the student version military application of Spring Mesh System, exactly number 4. In the out, the trailer of an STT was being tested with an experimental mounting of the Hostile Defender FN M3P high-power machine gun in place of the satellite. While the trailer was at rest and the mounted gun was flying vertically, the vehicle began experiencing pronounced vertical motion. The soldier operating the trailer immediately shut down the gun and returned it to the base. To help understand the phenomenon, some engineers read the weapon and took measurement of the displacement of the trailer from the ground. C1 for the reported data. Since it appeared the structural integrity of the trailer would fail, the engineer shut down the weapon after 60 seconds due to the structural restriction of the trailer. Physical experimentation is limited. The engineer have tasked you with modeling phenomenon to see if it will stabilize or continue until the point of structural failure. The mass of the Hostile Defender is 4,000 kg, and the engineer were able to determine the spring constant of the shock used to on the trailer to be K 5,000 nanometer. Also, all engineers have determined that the amount of force on the trailer produced by the weapon ring is modeled by the function Ft sama dengan 300 cos Tn. We have intention, initial thinking, idealization. This is the E5 framework like we use it to explanation the spring mesh system. The first, we plot the data of the phenomenon and describe the behavior of the trailer. Next, use data and Mathematica to estimate the damping coefficient by minimizing the sum of squared error between the data and the prediction of your model. See, a good suggestion was made that the truck is experiencing resonance orbit. Is this a reasonable hypothesis? If they do not turn the vehicle and the shock can only extend, will the structural integrity of the truck be compromised? Nah, we enter in the intention. Intention is underlying purpose or aim, motivates an individual to perform a specific action, guiding the behavior and decision-making process toward achieving a particular outcome or goal. In the process of completing the assessment, I applied two fundamental concepts to help thinking and problem solving. We will use CCIT, cara cerdas ingat Tuhan, and conscious thinking, the E5. CCIT method encourage us to always connect and remember Allah at doing something, including in solving scientific problem. Additionally, we also use the E5 conscious thinking method to ensure awareness in thinking and problem solving with a structural approach. Conscious thinking, the E5 here has a systematic thinking flow that consists of intention, initial thinking, idealization, instruction set. Both concepts fully contribute to problem solving and scientific decision making. Both methods also strengthen spiritual value. And yeah, we got in initial thinking. Initial thinking is the preliminary thought process that occurs at the outset of an endeavor, where an individual forms their first idea, strategies, and assumption that will guide the subsequent action. Plot the displacement data of the trailer and describe its behavior. Use the data to estimate the damping coefficient by minimizing the sum of squared error, ESA. Evaluate if the system is experiencing resonance or beats. Determine if the trailer structural integrity will be compromised if the system continues to operate without turning off. And yeah, we enter the idealization. Idealization is the mental creation of a perfect version of something, where an individual envision an ideal or flawless form of person, object, or situation, often overlooking real world imperfection and complexities. In idealization, the mass of the trailer and the gun is 4,000 meter or 4,000 kilogram. The spring constant of the shock is K, 5,000 K or 5,000 nanometer. The damping F coefficient needs to be estimated. The external force is 300 cos theta. Equation 300 cos theta nanometer. The initial condition are X equation 0 and dx dt equation 0, and the equation motion is m d quadrat x per d quadrat theta plus beta dx per dt plus kx equation 300 cos t. Yeah, we next to the instruction set. We apply the E5 framework into the coding system like we use to study is numerical method. Like we see, instruction set is a collection of commands that a computer CPU can execute to perform various operations. We can see the various operations in here is def model, def force, and def cost function. Okay, we next to instruction set B. It defines the machine language instruction that the processor can understand and process, serving as a bridge between software and hardware. And we get Pythagoras equation 100, result minimized. Y and X is a model, and we can plot the answer in figure, plot X and Y, label, and plot show. Okay, next to the slide. We have the graphic in spring mass system that we search is like in here, displacement of the trailer over time, fluctuative displacement. We can see from the 0 and 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And we go to the D is the displacement except the 0.5 meter limit, suggesting that without intervention, the structural integrity of the trailer will be compromised. It is crucial to use approximately damped shock to prevent damage. And C, the forcing frequency is 1 radian per second. Since the forcing frequency is close to the natural frequency, it is reasonable to hypothesize that the system might be experiencing the resonance from the spring mass system. And we get the natural frequency omega n is given by omega equation the root k per m equation the root 5000 per 4000 equation 1.118. And yeah, we enter to the what I think and what I describe my comment about Elon Musk question in AGI. Elon Musk frequently discuss the possibility that our reality might be simulation. Wow, amazing. Suggesting our code could be an artificial construct. His dialogue with the AI delved into this idea, examining how an advanced IM might understand concept of existence and reality beyond in programmed framework. Elon Musk inquiry addressed profound philosophical and existential question. The notion of a simulated reality, debated by philosophers for centuries, has gained renewed interest due to technological advancement. Elon Musk's question mirrors this enduring curiosity, raising issues about the nature of consciousness and reality. Wow, so amazing, Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla. And conclusion, in summary, the video is an engaging mix of technology, philosophy, and futurism, highlighting Elon Musk's unique ability to inspire thought and discussion on some of humanity's most profound questions. And I think Elon Musk thinking the framework, the use of Elon Musk is like similar to the E5, that like the E5 if combine technology, philosophy, and futurism, and Elon Musk has proved if that the E5 can use in reality. Okay, we got the E5 and conscious. If you don't know what is the E5, I will explain it to you about the E5 and consciousness. The first step we have and we must to unconscious mode. Like we gotta say I'm conscious. This action will make we appreciate of myself, and I can do many things in the futurism. Okay, we go to intention. Intention refers to a purposeful or planned objective that someone aims to achieve. It involves a deliberate and conscious decision to act in a certain way. So this is an intention. We got a purposeful or a planned what we gonna do, and we know what we want to achieve. Next to initial thinking. Initial thinking is the first phase of the cognitive. Cognitive is the basically fundamental in humanity. When an individual starts to consider or contemplate an idea, problem, or situation, we use the cognitive process in our brain. Pak Dai rename it with brainware and hardware, and initial thinking use a brainware. And we must think what we're gonna do if we have a target in our life. And next, we go to idealization. Idealization is the process of envisioning or conceptualizing something in a perfect or ideal form, often ignoring practical limitation or real imperfection. And what is idealization? Idealization is we idealization what the idea in the cognitive in the brain, and we must go to the next level. This is idealization is I think next level of initial thinking. And we finally go to the last is instruction set. Instruction set refers to a collection of commands or instructions that are followed to perform a specific task or achieve a particular outcome. Instruction set is a concrete step we gonna do about what we gonna do. Yeah, this is an instruction set. If we have initial thinking and idealization, we must do something. And I think this is referred to an instruction set. So if you have something innovation in your head by a brainware and hardware, just do it, and the E5, if you conscious, you will be make it. And this all of the E5 and conscious thinking, and we got the conclusion what I get in numerical method and conscious thinking with E5. Conscious thinking method refers to the deliberate and intentional process of thinking, where an individual actively engaged into process, decision making, and problem solving with full awareness. So that's all of the E5 and what I get in numerical method in one term in naval architecture and mine engineering. I'm sorry if my pronounce is bad in English, but big thanks to Pak Dai that explain of the E5. That's helpful for me and helpful for the student in Faculty of Engineering. And I'm Sumando Lorenzo, majority naval architecture and marine engineering. Have to end this session of presentation. I'm sorry if I make mistake in the pronouns, the explain. I'm sorry. And yeah, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone and morning. Bye bye.